Hello, my name is Hope Searles, and this is my Ozarka College General Education's Outcome Screencast. Explore, locate, interpret, evaluate, and synthesize all make up critical thinking skills. Since learning all about critical thinking, I can now take assignments and tasks in everyday life and explore new ideas and ways of making it my own. I will then locate different forms of information such as a person, article, or book, and then interpret and evaluate the value of the information. Finally, I will assemble and construct my ideas to create new information. An example of this would be in English last semester when I would gather information to create the many final drafts I had to make. Another example would be this semester in biology when I would have to gather information and create an assignment to present to my class. Every assignment I have done in college involves the process of critical thinking. I have learned in so many ways to use this to apply to my everyday life and in school. Communication. Verbal, written, and visual are all effective and efficient communication skills for many aspects of life. In Com 2, my class had to split into groups and research the topic of when should a person be considered legal for a debate. We had to write questions and answers for our presentation. We presented and spoke, which covered the verbal, and we had to create a PowerPoint which showed the written and visual. Academic, financial, and civic are all parts of personal responsibility. I believe that paying for my college classes shows a perfect example of academic responsibility. I do not have a teacher walking me through everything or babying me, as some may say, which really boosts and helps me as a student and as a person. Balancing bills and school costs help me gain financial responsibility. I am also aware of the costs I will have to pay after I take out loans for a university I am applying for next year.